take one risk. See, at least a 60 I want to close it down. Just I'm eagerly waiting for at least today I want to close the 60. Yes, the thing is, it should not reverse it. Stop losses also, I don't know to take too much of risk. About that candle only stop losses. Because 2000 almost from 60 lost much more. Guys, my focus is today at least I want to close this. Not more than that. I don't want much also. Okay, just to whatever the profit I had, everything is gone. $300 profit. The morning, whatever the profit. Yeah, about that candle only stop losses is there. If reverse, we'll just sit and wait. What is going to after the Trump speech, we'll see what it is. Almost 8 hours, 442 candles. It has wasted the time. That is the point. Chances are downside, but don't know when market will fall. Gold is number one and dropping. Now Bitcoin is waste of time. Don't know, one strong candle is enough to sweep the liquidity. This much time it is taking means something fishy. Oh god. Guys, book the profits. Book the profit. Come on, come on. Don't waste it. Done, guys. Done. Around 3,500 we booked. Good enough. Didn't expect. Has given a strong breakup. Expectation till here it is there, but like this kind of a choppy market, no, again market will come again take on reverse, because there is a this kind of a type candles is happening. It can be a risky also. Okay, I think today choppy market, don't want to take a trade back to back again and again. This is the fourth trade which I'm entering in this. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll keep it this much and don't enter the trades back to back again and again. If anything is there, definitely we'll take a trade by tomorrow. I'll seal the opportunity by tomorrow. As of now, just what 0.4 lots will plan it, and just we'll leave it up where market is going. Let it go. Stop losses should be below this. Again, market is taking reverse or anything. Okay, we'll keep here on. This will be a swing trade. I'll hold it for the day, or else if I get a good around 150-200 pips means I'll close. Do not close in indecision. If it's closing indecision, then again we have chances that market will respect till here. There is a chance. Not close in an indecision point. If it's closing an indecision in 5 minutes, then again market we can see here somewhere expecting around 4,350. Okay. Guys,